Laws of Motion. Law number 1.
Hi, this is my Newton's Laws of Motion project. As we go through all the clips and demonstrations in this, I just want you to keep in mind all the clips show all 3 laws, but I've picked out certain clips for certain laws. Let's start off with the first. So the first law states that an object in motion will stay at motion, and an object in rest will stay at rest. It also states that if an object is in motion, it will keep going in that same direction and at the same speed until acted on by an unbalanced force. I have a clip to demonstrate this.
This is me diving into a pool. Alright, let's rewind it, slow it down, take a closer look at it. In this starting position, I'm going to stay at rest forever until a force is applied to me. And there's the force right there, me pushing off the block with my feet. I go flying into the air, and I would stay flying in the same path and same speed, but gravity affects me and pushes me into the water, and then the water is opposing my movement and is pushing against me, which slows me down.
Newton's Laws of Motion. Law number 2.
Today I'm going to demonstrate the second law with basketball and a bowling ball. The second law states that acceleration depends on force exerted onto an object and the mass of that object. So, the basketball is 1.2 pounds and the bowling ball is 12 pounds. The basketball has a smaller mass, the bowling ball has a lot higher mass. The bowling ball is exactly 10 times heavier than the basketball. So, if I roll the basketball into the bowling ball, the bowling ball doesn't move a lot, but the basketball goes flying off. That's because the basketball has very little force, because it's not very heavy, and the bowling ball has a lot of mass, because it's heavy. So, but the other way around, if I roll the bowling ball into the basketball moves, and the bowling ball keeps moving. That's because the bowling ball has a lot more force because it's heavier, and the basketball has small mass, so it's just pushed out of the way and starts moving. That's the second law. This also affects when you're playing sports like basketball. It's a lot easier to shoot the basketball than it is to launch a bowling ball down the alley.
Newton's Laws of Motion. Law number 3.
It's always been a childhood dream of mine to smash a watermelon on the ground and see it explode. So today I'm going to demonstrate Newton's third law by just doing that. So Newton's third law states that when an object falls on something and exerts a force on it, the second object will push back with an equal and opposite force. So when I drop the watermelon, it will gain a force from gravity, and when it hits the earth, it will exert all that force onto the earth. The earth, which is huge and really heavy, will not have any problem taking this force and just staying there. But it will exert an opposite force, which will smash the watermelon, since the watermelon is not strong enough to withstand this force. And this watermelon is 8 pounds, and I am dropping it from 7 feet.